garu ngadum penjurang ya ka jingkren ka jonga henre ka don gawai ka kentin pareng ka bekyong teng teng u Khulom u Khlain ban ya ka Waitlam. Sometimes the pen is mightier than the sword. Di na katakadaw na kaliyang ka jongi nado kisnam ki balaleng nila persang man penbor bangin penkelano ya kaan dan ingin ya dah ya keriti ke dostor ke jongi dau Khulom banab u basai lembah ki an ki kanun ki babiang mentah kasini ngoi ka ruling jongka High Court badan borom bala scrap no ya ketuk notification badan kam sirul trai bala penmi ke Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kini baro ki jingja teng teng kumengyong kai ke bala jia po Garo Nimlawan lan hap keno ya kinong yalam ki balalek ki pemensua ki bala yo ban bat ya ka bor sin sarang te bok Garo Hills. Whatever has happened in Garo Hills we cannot deny. We have to put a blame on our past leaders, our legislators who have been authorized to make law in the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. They have failed to protect the Garo community through an act. Garo Hills, Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills, we need a very clear protection by law. And just to elaborate, Taman Panchayat Indian, ka Constitution of District Council Rule 1951, ladang ikwa panyada ya ka Jaintia ya ka Khasi wa ya ka Garo nakatingsa tuklar. Jogi ki bamdei ki rulom ha ni po district council ngi haban penkala ya kan ke edi rule ke basis pa arbupra so para 1 ba so para 3 bat kadai ka kam ka basuk na ka basuk tang badle ya ka menglakren na ka por si ka por. It is high time that all the 3 district council will bring amendment to the 128 edi rule so para 1 and so para 3. And if this is done, I guarantee you, nobody can put a finger or try to encroach into the district council. So therefore, today, let it be the day that as a community, we demand from the state government, especially from the district council, to bring immediate amendment to the 128 AD rule and to bring a special protection to the walls of the 3 district council. Nagalang ko jonging ay kublay ya ka komso